Thank you, Jake. And I'm just going to take a quick minute here to sort of set the stage for the day. I do want to thank our leadership for showing up this morning and for showing up for us every day. As Jake mentioned earlier, right, like we do this sort of outbrief from headquarters once a year as part of this LSSW series. The rest of the year, we're asking for input from you, so we feel like it's only fair for us to have sort of a conversation and for us to give some input back to you, the community. And so this is our opportunity to do that. But I have to say that for us, it's a good moment too to sort of reflect on what we've done over the last year and how far we've come, and to take a chance to see the actual progress that we are making. Do we have slides? There we go. Great. You can go to the next slide. So we're going to start the day today with a lot. Can we get to the next thing? Thank you. So we're gonna talk today about like a lot of the stuff we're doing, which is really sort of execution. We've spent a lot of years planning, and we are finally really getting to this sort of execution today. So you're gonna hear a lot about Artemis 2 and Artemis 3 today, and the things that we are actually like executing, which is so cool to finally get to this place where we're really doing the hard work. If you go to the next slide, but we're also still doing planning, right? We haven't ended planning. And so we're still looking forward and ahead to the things that are coming after that. And in particular, if you think about in a perfect world, as we're doing mission planning should start with a science-driven landing site selection process. I think we would all agree that in a perfect world, science should be driving those things. And so we're going to start today with a discussion from Barb about where we need your input from the community in order for us to get our ducks in a row as we start planning where we want to go to do the best science. So we're gonna start off the day with that. If you go to the next slide, and we are also continuing to do sort of more long-range planning as well, talking about how we can increase capabilities to enable more science. We'll hear from Brian Ewing at the end of the day, some updates on mobility. We're all still working on freezers. Not only developing freezers, but also figuring out how to curate our samples at colder temperatures, how to make them available to the community, and analyze them at cold temperatures, which is an area we still need a lot of work on, but it's super important. And we've got some active studies. We've got the South Lake and Basin Sample Return Science Definition Team. We'll hear later today from Lauren an update on that, as well as you just heard Nikki is literally at the National Academies right now. Today is the kickoff of our non-polar destination study, so we're super excited to get that up and running. And long range, after that one is complete, we are planning a second National Academy study, a sort of pair to this one, looking at what kind of science we want to do in sort of a more sustained phase as we move forward and have more infrastructure on the moon. What kinds of science should we be looking at in long range? So with that, I just want to make that quick, set the stage for the day. And I'll turn it over to Barb to talk about where we need your help.